kitchen. In this episode, we will see what are the ingredients that is used in making Indian sweets. Indian cuisine is famous for its spices and also it's famous for its sweets. Given the length and breadth of Indian cuisine, there are different varieties of sweets that is hailing from different parts of India. There is no wonder that India has a sweet tooth. Sweet is the integral part of life, be it a festive season or a wedding or a promotion from the job. Sweets are shared and enjoyed along with family and friends. Not only for special occasions, it is also enjoyed as an evening tea time snack or even after a meal. India offers wide varieties of sweet in different color, texture, flavor, taste and also in preparation method. When you are first introduced to Indian sweets, you might wonder what it contains and how it is made of. And today we are going to decode the ingredients that is used in making Indian sweets. So here goes the number one ingredient. It is none other than milk. Major proportion of Indian sweets are made out of milk. This is also due to the availability of fresh produce of milk all over the country. Eastern part of India is famous for its different varieties of milk sweets. The second ingredient is chickpeas, also called Bengal gram or chana dal. The third and fourth ingredient is the staple of India, wheat and rice. This is used as a base ingredient for a lot of sweets and also savory items. Let's look at the milk sweets. There are different forms of milk products used in making milk sweets. Number one is milk used directly in the recipe. Milk cream is used. Condensed milk is used. Milk powder is used. And number five, it's called paneer or Indian cottage cheese. Milk is boiled and curdled using some kind of acid, and this milk cheese that is collected is used as an ingredient. The sixth ingredient is called koya or mawa. Milk is slow cooked until it reaches a solid form, and this is also used in many of the Indian sweet recipes. Now with all the 6 ingredient forms, there are a lot of varieties of milk sweets which taste and shape are different. Now we saw most of the milk based ingredients that is used for milk sweet. There are also yogurt based sweets. Another asset to Indian cuisine is Bengal gram, also called chana dal. It is made out of brown chickpeas. The gram flour from the chickpeas is used to make many sweets and savories. Chana dal itself is also used in other curries and snacks in Indian cuisine. Now we have seen the main ingredients that cover major part of Indian sweets. There are also sweets made out of different lentils and regionally this can differ. Now let's look into the flavor component of Indian sweets. Number 1, cardamom. I would like to call cardamom as Indian vanilla as it is used in more than 90% of Indian sweets. It has a wonderful fruity flavor Not only in sweets, it is also added in some of spicy curries and savory dishes. Number 2, the world's most expensive spice, saffron, is also used in some sweets. Number 3, rose water is also used for flavoring. There are other spices that is used in sweets, cinnamon, cloves, fennel, nutmeg. Sometimes turmeric is used to impart its beautiful yellow color. Some sweets are steamed, some are boiled, and many sweets are deep fried. Now let's look into the fat that is used in Indian sweets. Number 1 is ghee, also called Indian clarified butter. It adds a beautiful aroma and taste to Indian sweet. In many of the sweets, ghee is imported as an added ingredient. Sometimes it is also used for deep frying. Number 2 is the oil. India uses varieties of oil like peanut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. All this different oil will have flavor on its own, and most of the sweets are made with refined oil, which is flavorless and has a high smoking point. Indian sweets are made mainly using flavorless vegetable oil. A vegetable oil like sunflower oil is used. The third ingredient is vanaspati, which is thick butter-like consistency made from palm oil. India's one of popular sweet called carrot halwa is made from carrots. Other common vegetables are beetroot, ash gourd, bottle gourd, and pointed gourd. Fruits are normally added as a second ingredient. Fruits like mango, banana, pineapple are commonly used. Creativity is the limit. You can also use other vegetables and fruits in making Indian sweets. Nuts are used as a topping or used as a main ingredient in making sweets. The popular ones are cashew nut and almonds, pistachios, and dried grapes, which is often used in many of the Indian sweets. We discussed many ingredients that is used in making Indian sweets. This topic would not be complete if we don't talk about the sweetness of Indian sweets. The number 1 ingredient is a refined sugar made out of sugarcane. India uses sugar as the main sweetener for Indian sweets. Number 2 is jaggery. Jaggery is unrefined form of sugar from sugarcane. It comes in different colors from light golden color to dark brown color. Well, sugar and jaggery adds main sweetness to the sweet dishes. There are also other sugars that is used like palm sugar, palm jaggery, honey, dates. Sometimes also fruits like banana adds sweetness to the dessert or sweet dish. Now that you know the ingredients that is used in Indian sweets, let's know some of the names. Laddu, Barfi, Halwa. If you know these 3 names, Laddu, Barfi and Halwa, can you repeat? Laddu, Barfi, Halwa. You know already hundreds of sweets from Indian cuisine. Laddus are something dry and spherical in shape. Barfi has a square, rectangle or a diamond shaped form. Halwa is semi-solid, gooey. Mostly it doesn't have a shape. Sometimes it also comes in square shape. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please leave your comments in the comment section.